Hey, what is up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Long time no see, right? Seems legit. Just kidding, guys. Really, thanks for coming back to the channel. I appreciate all the support. I hope you guys are doing well. Tonight, I've got another EDC video for you. Tonight, we're going to be talking about a couple of new products from Fidelo. If you guys aren't familiar with Fidelo, check out a few of my videos. I'll link them down below if you want to first. That way you'll get up to speed on this video. But stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into their new products. See you in a minute. Welcome back, guys. I hope you are enjoying that intro. Hope you are enjoying the content. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Tonight we're going to be talking about Fidelo. If you're not familiar with Fidelo, they are an EDC wallet company. I've done a few reviews for them in the past with their EDC wallets, at which I've really enjoyed using. I like the style of them. They just got an array of different types of EDC. They're minimalist wallets. Tonight I'm going to be going over a couple of their newer EDC wallets. EDC meaning minimalist, not a lot of stuff you're going to be carrying around in these wallets. These wallets are sharp, as in they look good, they're stylish. I really like the ones that they sent. I'm just kind of in a hard time debating on what my favorite ones are. But I think the ones that I'm going to go over for you tonight, I think this just may be my favorite of all time from Fidelo. Before we get into this review though, guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell for future uploads. And of course, at the end of the video, if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. So without further ado, Fidelo, like I said, it's an EDC wallet company. They have some pretty awesome products. Tonight, I'm going to go over a few of their newer products, or their newest products, I should say. I'll show you the one kit first that I'm using now, and then I'll go and so on and so forth. As always, they are always awesome on the presentation, and I hope you guys can see that. With their flip-top boxes, of course, it's magnetized. And when you flip that open, you got your little protection barrier. Set that off on the side, and this, of course, is all your warranty type stuff, and how do you use your wallet, something like that anyway. But as you can see, it comes in a nice little case, and this is the original plate that was on this wallet itself. I'll show you these real quick. These were the plates, and as you can hear, they're kind of thin, but they're still pretty sturdy. And this is a gunmetal gray. And what else comes in the pack? You get 3 other bands that you put inside the wallet to kind of, the width of it, of how many cards you can put in it. Basically, you get 3 different sizes of that, and of course an extra money clip to put on the outside. It's got their little F on it, if you guys can see that. There you go. And my favorite part of this, to be able to change the front plates like I did, that's that tool right there. This is convenience. This is really good convenience. All you do is pop that open, and they give you a star little wrench. And what I like about this is the top of it spins, because when you're pushing down, you can sit there and spin it and spin it and spin it and spin it. It's never gonna lock up on you. The downfall about this, the only thing I would want Fidelo to change about this, magnetize the tips of these. It is so hard with hands like mine. They're so big. They're hard to pick up the little tiny screws and try to put back in the holes where they go, and then try to get them started. If that was magnetized to be able to stick the screw on and just start it like that, it'd be so much easier. When I did do that, I was having a little bit of trouble getting it back in to the slot, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Also, you get this little capsule with an extra tip and extra screws. I thought that was kind of cool. And that was the main kit. I'll leave a link to this kit in the description below. I really like this kit. It looks good. It's small. I don't carry a lot of credit cards. I got my concealed carry, my driver's license. I think I got 3 other cards, and I think I got altogether about 10 cards, I want to say. But like I said, that's the gunmetal. Let me put this back real quick. And my favorite part about that is you can get different color the face plates, and that comes in something like that. And again, I'll put a link to this product down in the description, and that comes in like that. Get this little pamphlet out there. Got a little protection barrier. Of course, the plates would go right there, obviously. And what I chose was the copper. I chose the copper and the gunmetal. Well, obviously it come in the gunmetal, and then what came in that little box was this plate. And this is a thick plate. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's heavy. Like, my wallet is really heavy. Well, of course I got all kind of cards in it too, but my wallet's pretty heavy now. It's durable, I want to say. And all these cards I got in here, as you can see, I got a bunch of cards in here. And I'll go ahead and take them out. And it's super thin. There's the money clip. I mean, it just looks really stylish. I really like that copper. And I'll count the cards right here that I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got exactly 10 cards in that little piece of wallet. A little bit of size comparison. The stack of cards is actually thicker than the actual wallet, so that's got a good stretch to it. And like I said, they give you the 2 other different styles. The next one I really like. Of course, it's got the same look, same presentation. You flip that open, you're greeted like that. And of course you get a little salt packet. Kids do not eat these. It's bad. And it comes with a little RFID piece of leather. Basically telling it's RFID safety. You can put your credit cards in there, and you don't have to worry about someone trying to snatch your cards or nothing. It's greeted like that. Man, they always have such cool presentation. I'll pull that out of the package. Very nice. It's leather. You get pockets right there. A couple cards, and you get pockets on that side, and on this side you get a pocket. And the coolest part about this whole thing, if you guys noticed, you see that little piece hanging out right there. You get that middle piece, right? You shove it in there. But how you gonna get those out? You don't want to be stretching it out and trying to pull it out. If you got 3 or 4 cards in there, it's real tight. No worries. Take that little piece right there, and you just pull it up, and those cards plop right out of there. That is nifty. I like that. I know, guys, I'm kind of cheesing right now, but how cool is that? You just push your cards down, boom. You don't have to fight getting them out. You can just boop, done. This comes in different colors as well. I'll put a link in the description of this product as well down below. I really like Fidelo wallets. The wallets that I've used from them are durable. They look stylish. You can barely tell you have them in your pockets. Just overall great quality. They do have warranties. I'll put everything in the description below. including links to each of these products. I would definitely suggest, if you're looking for a small minimalist EDC wallet, check Fidelo out. I think you'll be quite satisfied. Their customer service is top notch. I talked to quite a few people, and they've always been really super nice to me. But overall quality of their products, they're durable, they look good, and I'm proud to keep my credit cards that I don't have in their wallets. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to send a big thank you out to Fidelo for sending these newest products out. I really appreciate it. Everything will be in the description below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys for the constant support. I really appreciate it. Until the next review, peace, guys. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.